Hello everyone. We have this question 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 plus 3 raised to the power of x plus 8 equals 738, and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, we can write this equation as 3 raised to the power of x into 3 raised to the power of 4, this value. And similarly, we can write this value as 3 raised to the power of x into 3 raised to the power of 4 into 3 raised to the power of 4, means we have split this 8 into 4 into 4, which equals 738. So now we can write this plus 8, as I told, 4 plus 4, so which is equal 738. And now we can also write this 3 raised to the power of x 4 plus 4 plus 4 as 3 raised to the power of x plus 4, this term, into 3 raised to the power of 4. Why? Because according to exponent rule, if we have a raised to the power of m plus n, so we can write this as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So here this whole term is in the form of a raised to the power m plus n, and we have split this into a raised to the power of m into n, like we have written this as 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 into 3 raised to the power 4 equals 738. Now in this value we have a common term, which is 3 raised to the power of x plus 4, because it exists here and as well here. So we will take 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 as common. So after taking 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 as common, the remaining term will be 1 over here, and will be 3 raised to the power of 4 over here, because we have taken this 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 as common, which equals 738. Now this 3 raised to the power of 4 equals 81, because 3 is a 9, 9 times 3 equal 27, and 27 times 3 equal 81. So we can write here as 81. So 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 into 1 plus 81 equals 738. So this will become 82. So 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 into 82 equals 738. Now we will send this 82 on the other side of equation, so it will come in division. So x raised to the power 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 equals 738 divided by 82, and we, after division these two, we will get 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 equals 9. And now we can write this 9 as 3 raised to the power of 2, like this. Now if you see here, the base are same on both sides of the equation, so we can compare the power. So x plus 4 equals 2, we can write as x plus 4 equals 2. And now we will send this plus 4 on the other side of equation, so it will become x equals 2 minus 4, which will equal x equals minus 2, because 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. And this is the solution of our given question. But before taking final decision, let's verify as it satisfies the given equation or not. So let's verify this. So for verification, we will put x is equal to minus 2 in the given equation. So this was the given equation. Now we will put x equals minus 2 over here and here. So let's put x is equal to minus 2. So now we have put x equals minus 2 over here, and similarly over here. So this will become 4. Minus 2 will become 3 raised to the power of 2, that is 3 square, and 8 minus 2 equals 6. So we will write 3 raised to the power of 6 equals 738. Now in these two terms, 3 raised to the power of 2 is common. So we will take this 3 raised to the power of 2 as common, and here the remaining term will be 1, and here the remaining term will be 3 raised to the power of 4, like this. 3 square is common, and 1 plus 3 raised to a power of 4 equals 738. Now this 3 raised to a power of 2, that is 3 square equals 9, and this 3 raised to a power of 4 is 81, as I told earlier, equals 738, and 1 plus 81 equals 82 into 9. When we multiply this 9 with 82, it equals 9 times 2 equal 8, and 9 times 8 equal 72 plus 1, which is equal 73. So 738 equals 738. So it means that our value satisfies the equation. So x is equal to minus 2 is the right answer of this given question. So finally, I will request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Goodbye. Take care.